Okay, so this is a question which is a doubt of many students. Like, what is all this thing which is happening? Two soap bubbles combining to form a single bubble. So definitely the volume will change because the gas inside the soap bubble is compressible. Liquids are incompressible, but the gas is compressible, so volume will change. So it is given that the change in volume is V. Okay, so let us say that initially there were two bubbles and each were of radius small r. And finally they are forming a bigger bubble of radius capital R. So what was the initial volume? The initial volume was twice of 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the final volume is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. And it is given that V is the change in volume, which is final minus initial. So 4 by 3 pi r cube minus 2r cube. So this is V. T is the surface tension, alright, P is the atmospheric pressure, then we have to choose the correct relationships. By the way, S is the total change in surface area also. So what is initial surface area? Twice of surface area means like 4 pi r square inner and 4 pi r square outer. So 8 pi r square. This is initial. Final is twice of, oh, like that, sorry, initial means there are two bubbles also now. So no, I think I already covered two bubbles, because each bubble will have 8 pi r square area, and like that there are two bubbles. So that is well and good, all is correct only. Whereas the final surface area is twice of 4 pi r square. And what is given is that the change in surface area. So change in surface area is given to be S, which is equal to final minus initial, which is again 8 pi. If you take common, you get r square minus 2r square. Okay, so this is what we are getting. V and S. Surface tension is T and the atmospheric pressure is P. So what is the P initial? P initial is P naught plus 4T by R. And what is P final? P naught plus 4T by R. So we will use PV equal to nRT. So P initial, which is P naught plus 4T by R, P into V initial. Now V initial in individual is V, or we can write V initial as 4 by 3 pi R cube. PV equal to nRT. What is P final? P naught plus 4T by R, and the final volume is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now the thing is, this is written for individual bubble. So for individual bubble, if the number of moles is n, then collectively the number of moles is 2n, and finally it is written for both the bubbles merged, so 2n. So from here we get 4 by 3 pi r cube into P naught plus we get 16T by 3 pi r square is equal to twice of, now nRT can be written as 4 by 3 pi r cube P naught plus 16T by 3 pi r square. So let us bring the things on one side. So we get 4 by 3 pi and P naught is also there. We get r cube minus 2r cube, and here we get plus 16T by 3 pi r square minus 2r square is equal to 0. Now we already know that r is r cube minus 2r cube, that is equal to 3 capital V by 4 pi. So 3 capital V by 4 pi into 4 by 3 pi P naught plus 16T by 3 pi, and r square minus 2r square. R square minus 2r square can be written as capital S by 8 pi. capital S by 8 pi, and that is equal to 0. So from here many things will get cancelled out, as you know, like pi 4 4 3 3, and here on the other hand we have got pi, and this is like 2. So this is what I'm able to get. Hopefully I have not committed any mistake. So if I have not committed any mistake, then 3 p naught v plus 2 ts is equal to 0. So this is what we are getting. So like check for errors.